The TaPSI Research Framework. A systematization of knowledge on tangible privacy and security interfaces. This CHI 2025 paper is a work from Sarah Delgado Rodriguez, Maximiliane Windl, Florian Alt and Karola Marky. Tangible interfaces offer unique opportunities, such as supporting intuitive and natural interaction, providing immediate tactile feedback, being fun or engaging to interact with, and enhancing users' feeling of being in control. These advantages of tangible interfaces are particularly beneficial for usable privacy and security solutions, which are often considered difficult to use, too abstract, or annoying. Well-known off-the-shelf examples of tangible privacy and security interfaces include traditional or smart webcam covers, bank cards, physical authentication tokens such as the YubiKey, or educational board games. Due to their tangible nature, these interfaces make it easy for users to understand when and where they are used. Despite their clear advantages for human-centered security, no overarching conceptualization of usable tangible privacy and security interfaces exists today. We present the first systematization of knowledge on tangible privacy and security interfaces, which we abbreviate as TaPSI. For this, we searched for relevant publications in 28 usable privacy and security venues. After screening the search results, we used snowball sampling to broaden our sample further. The 80 publications in our final sample were published from 1999 to March of 2024. We observed an increase in interest in the research community during the last years. CHI was the venue where, by far, the most TaPSI publications were presented. Applying hybrid thematic analysis to our sample, we answer the research questions. What is a unifying definition and description of TaPSI? What approaches to TaPSI research exist, and which have yet to be explored? How are TaPSI designed in terms of appearance and functionality? In particular, we describe the use terminology and definitions, addressed usable privacy and security domains, contributions, methods, implementations, and opportunities and challenges inherent to TaPSI. Based on our findings, we define tangible privacy and security interfaces as tangibles, which means they exist in the physical world and can be manipulated or perceived by touch and potentially other senses that help users manage, protect, and understand information privacy and/or security. In our paper, we observed that research on TaPSI addressed a large variety of UPS problems. In particular, our sample described TaPSI for authentication, privacy, access control, indicators or warnings, as well as for education, highlighting their potential across most UPS domains. We condensed our findings into the TaPSI Research Framework, which supports future researchers in designing research projects involving TaPSI. Our framework gives recommendations for the conceptual and technical design of such a project. It also discusses interesting open questions for future research and describes a design space for TaPSI. The design space distinguishes between the appearance of TaPSI, which we call their look and feel, and the user interaction they support. The look and feel of a TaPSI refers to their form factors and materials. We also identified additional factors that impact the design of TaPSI. This refers to the metaphors they might apply, their shape and size, whether they are active or passive, and their level of technology readiness. To make our findings more graspable, we also discuss in our paper how example TaPSI from related work apply to the design space. For more details on our work, please refer to our paper.